This is 9.3, Measures of Center. A measure of center is a measure that describes the typical value of a data set. One type is the median, and it is the middle value. If we have an even number of values, then the median is the mean of the middle two numbers. So here I have 5, 8, 9, 12, and 14. The median, if I go from the outsides in, the middle one is 9. But in this one, I have 6 numbers, so the middle two are 5 and 7. So I need to find the average, or the mean, of 5 and 7. So the median of this data set is 6. Now I have the mode, and that is the value, or values, that occur the most often. Data can have one, more than one, or no modes. So out of this data set, I can see that I have 2 15s and 2 24s, so the modes are 15 and 24. If there are none that are repeated, that would be no mode. So if none of them have a double, there is no mode. Find the median and mode of the data. Out of 20, 4, 17, 8, 12, 9, 5, 20, and 13, first I'm going to write them all in order. Then to find the median, I'm going to cross off one on each side until I reach one in the middle. So that would be 12. Then the mode, which one appears most often? That is 20. Now this list shows the favorite types of movies of a group of students. Find the mode. In this situation, it wouldn't make sense to find the median because it's not an order of something. It's just groups. So we're only finding mode, and that is 8. It has the most students. It is the answer that would have appeared most often. Alright, 7 competitors eat 26, 33, 34, 2, 32, 34, and 42 grapes in a grape eating contest. Find the mean, median, and mode of the data with an outlier and without the outlier. Which is affected most? So, I'm going to write them in order, and then I'm going to find the mean with the outlier. So I can see 2 is pretty far outside of the range. So with the outlier, with the 2, the mean is 29. The mean without the outlier, so I don't have that 2 here, the mean is 33.5. So in my chart, I can have the mean with and without the outliers. To find the median, I'm going to go from the outsides in, and I see that it is between, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. The median would be 7. Yes, with the outlier. The median without the outlier, if I don't have this 2, then I have in between 33 and 34. So if I average those, or find the middle of that, it's 33.5. And then the mode with the outlier is 34. If I take out the 2, 34 is still the number that occurs most often. So now we see between these groups of numbers, which one has the biggest change? And that we see that is the mean. It changes by 4.5, where the median only changes by half, and the mode does not change. So the mean is affected most by the outlier. Now we're going to use the data to answer how much do climbing shoes cost. We're going to find the mean, median, and mode, and then determine which represents the data best. So I have all these lists of prices. To do that, I'm going to make a dot plot. I see 142 is way out here, so that's not going to be the average. That is the most expensive. So to find the mean, add them all up, divide by how many? There are 8, so that is 68.5. The median, put them in order, find the middle 2, And I have 2 in the middle here. So 57 plus 65 divided by 2 is 61. So I marked the mean and median on my dot plot so I can see where do they fit in the rest of them. And then the mode, which one has the most dots? That's 40. Would you say 40 is a typical cost of climbing shoes? No, because it's the lowest. The mean could be an answer, but the median is in between most of the points, and since 2 of them are 40, I think the median is the best way to represent the data.